Assalamualaikum, hello everyone, welcome back with another video. This is Mamun. I am a content creator and I hope you are doing great, you are fit and fine, and I am so well by the grace of Allah. And today I'm going to make a video, a lot of things. Just don't skip this video till the end. In the beginning I would like to say about sky. Okay, you can see behind me, like the sky is kind of dark. The sky is kind of dark and the clouds are roaming, or you can say spreading to and fro, and I am sitting. Okay, the one thing is that a few hours later, it would be raining, or you can say it is likely to be rain. Okay, the second thing is that I'm sitting on this wall. Beside, what is that? What is called? This is called pillar, electrical pillar. The electrical pillar is holding on the ground, and there are so many wires are hanging on this pillar. You can say some electrical wires are tied from one side to the other, and after that I'm going to talk about these things. What is this? This is racy dirt road, that means ঘাসযুক্ত মাটির রাস্তা. Okay, and behind me there is a garden. There are a lot of so many gardens are there, and right now the cold wind is blowing. The cold wind is blowing all over my body, and behind my back there is a kid. He is kind of shy. Okay, and the one thing is that there are so many trees far away. You can see, and you can say there are so many trees in the distance, and I am seeing that there is a person who is walking far away. Okay, and right now I would like to say what is that? This is like land. The land is full of water, or you can say the land is filled the water. Okay, and just a little bit ahead, some rice seedlings were planted yesterday by farmer. Okay, so, and in such a way I can describe about this place and what is happening surrounding me. Okay, and behind me some hands are roaster, are eating like filthy things, you can say dirty things or filthy things. So no more late, it is all about 7 o'clock. The sun is about to sit down, so bye bye.